Sleek, ferocious, and definitely mind-blowing. Say hello to Lamborghini's STO. No longer is the beauty and speed of the Performante and Aventador SVJ restricted to the tracks, as this version has been perfectly designed to your neighborhood's taste. Driven by the likes of Chris Harris and journalist Henry Catchpole, this luxury vehicle costs over 2 mortgages at a whopping $300,000. And the price is only set to get higher once you add in the $7,200 sports seats, $20,000 in carbon fiber costs, and much more. Despite the staggering price, judges have little to no complaints. In fact, they all concur that this ride is worth much more than the bargain due to its intimidating feel and excellent driving experience. I reckon that it certainly is worth my time and yours. You're watching the LTC Network, the oasis of all things car-related. You're in for a truckload of fascinating expos, car reviews, and also all the thrill. Why not sit back, hit that subscribe button, and click the bell? Because this sure is one hell of a ride. That sound, that revving, is the Super Trofeo Omologato, the STO, and without a doubt, this baby's super. With a 5.2-liter V10 engine that produces 613 horsepower upon application, there's no wonder it goes 200.7 miles per hour and 62 miles per hour in 2.6 seconds. Though the O in our delightful STO stands for omologato, which is Italian for homologated, as in approved for track use yet suitable for the road, it still doesn't live up to its full potential in the afternoon traffic. Sure, if you've got the money to, having the Huracan parked in your driveway or revving up that engine to wake the neighbors is satisfying. But on a track, this baby can do you so much more. Well, why not see for yourself? In this ride, there's no room to throw in the kids' groceries. You're all alone on the track, seated stiffly within the car. Are you locked in away from the world, but you come face to face with your fears and realize your full potential behind the steering. It is a ride quick, but yet so simple it boosts your confidence and rejuvenates your spirits. Any DC fans watching? I tell you, it feels just like Bruce Wayne masked behind the Batsuit in the audacious Batmobile. Invisible and unstoppable. For ease of navigation, there are 3 driving modes available in the STO. Trofeo helps the sport car live up to its utmost abilities on the track, and Progia helps out solely on rainy days. For you and I, while cruising early mornings, riding to work, or just bragging to fellow road users, if you won't be bragging, I definitely will be, the STO mode is ideal. But could we get a go-between mode that merges the STO and Trofeo, giving us a gentle yet ferocious road weapon? Well, sadly, no. But that is just one fault in a sea of many great benefits. The outsides are just as magnificent. Just stand back and appreciate this outstanding construction. The baby blue and bright orange colors go perfectly with the evening sky and the receding sun. The entire make of this supercar is 75% carbon fiber, making it the ideal lightweight track car, even 48 kilograms lighter than its predecessor, the Performante. Just behind us are the rear wings, sharp, rib-shaped, sitting atop the V10 engine and perfectly visible through the side mirrors. I made a few mistakes mixing up the trunk and the engine in my first ride, but that too became easier with experience. And rest assured, that is what this vehicle will give you. Right above our wings is the shark fin, strategically placed to keep the vehicle balanced in sharp turns and tight corners. And you know what that means: drifting! In place of the engine is the hood, uniquely tagged the Cofango. What better way to differentiate itself from normal cars than tossing in a little assonance? STO, Cofango, get it? Cofango is a blend between the Italian terms cofano, meaning hood, and parafango, meaning fender. Unlike the everyday automobile, this hood, as you can see, lunges forward, adding to the intimidating and remarkable atmosphere of this ride. Just within is a storage area no bigger than a crash helmet. The manufacturers certainly weren't lying when they meant lightweight. A ride in this would be the best couple hours of your life. It obviously won't make for a good shopping experience, but that is just a teeny little complaint. Its lightweight magnesium tires are another beauty to behold, and it also justifies the fact that the STO is so insanely good to drive. The front tires change direction at ease, quickly drifting at turns and corners. The rears, now that's where your energy comes in. Coupled with a brake that's got 25% more power than the Performante, it all seamlessly settles this cruise in for perfect drifts and rotations. If that isn't enough to get your dopamine levels rising, I certainly don't know what can. Gosh, would you look at that? Every bit of this machinery is perfectly fitted for the track, and in turn, your pleasure. The benefits of the weapon abound and are almost too hard to keep track of. And lest I forget, there's my personal favorite, the built-in monitors. That's right, not only do you get to be a race car driver, but you're also equipped to monitor your performance with the onboard cameras and various input sensors designed to record speed, efficiency, steering, and throttle positions. All that data is perfectly analyzed and available on your mobile on the Unica application. This helps with monitoring driving progress, improving your track skills, and also showing off to your pals. I wonder what impressive parts about the homologated Huracan you would miss the most. Don't hesitate to let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to the LTC network as well, as there is still much more to be unraveled. With a few more years left, let us adore the feel, look, and excellence of Lamborghini's Huracan STO.